Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make your MSI monitor 144 Hz on PS5. First, turn on your PS5 and go to the home screen. From there, move to the top right corner and select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and find Save Data and Game or App Settings. Open it, then look for Game Presets. Select Game Presets and choose Performance Mode. This step tells your PS5 to prioritize higher frame rates instead of better graphics. Now go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and select Screen and Video. Inside this section, choose Video Output. Look for the option called Enable 120 Hz Output. Set this option to Automatic. This allows your PS5 to send a high refresh rate signal to your monitor when supported. Next, you need to make sure your MSI monitor is set to its highest refresh rate. Use the monitor's built-in menu, also called the OSD menu. You can open this menu using the buttons or joystick on the back or bottom of your monitor. Once the menu appears, go to the Settings section and find the refresh rate or display options. Set the refresh rate to the highest available value, such as 144 Hz. Also make sure you are using an HDMI cable that supports high refresh rates and connect it to the correct HDMI port on your monitor. After completing these steps, your PS5 should run supported games at higher frame rates on your MSI monitor. Thanks for watching.